Now, you may well have heard of Garden on a Roll. I certainly hope so. We send enough borders off around the country, but you may wonder what is actually in the box when it arrives. I'm going to show you. Oh, that looks exciting already. There we go. Got a lovely instructional guide there. Tells you how to do it. And a 10% discount voucher for friends and family. Got the roll, the length and width that you've chosen. We've got a lovely goodie bag which you can use after you've planted your border with all the beautiful stuff in there. The Envy feed, help the plants grow, a pair of gloves, a trowel. Lovely. And the most important thing, the plants. All the plants have a letter and a number to match the paper roll that you plant through. Plants are beautiful British grown plants in compostable bags with letters and numbers to match the roll to make it easy for you. It's amazing what you can get in a box like that delivered to your door. That's all your plants, and now you're completely set up ready to plant your Garden on a Roll border. Good luck.